Okay, we're rolling. It's the woodchuck, whiskey ball woodchuck again. I got a situation here with my auger. I went out the other day, poked some holes in the ice, and I got a big old crack on this sucker. Noticed it right away. It's leaking gas all over the place. So I'm gonna drill a hole right here where that crack has stopped or started. And then I'm gonna weld this crack all the way up across here. Here's what we're gonna be using today. You're gonna use a razor knife to trim a little bit of plastic off to weld with. We're gonna use a drill to start and stop on the crack. And we're gonna be using the wood burner to weld it up. All right, let's do this. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna hit the very end of this crack. There we go. Just like that. Now, I already took a couple of little shavings off the edge of this thing everywhere I could without damaging the tank. So I got my little shavings ready to go here. Now I'm going to cut a channel all the way through this crack. Real careful to follow the crack all the way across. Get in there nice and deep. Make sure that we got it all the way in there. All the way across there. Comes up here, and then it comes right down here, and that's the end of it. Now that I've got a good channel going in here and I'm nice and deep in there, I take my plastic and I start putting it in a little bit at a time. I'm not worried about what it looks like right now. I'll smooth it out when I get all the plastic in. Just like that. Just keep putting it in there, filling in that channel. Got just a little bit more to go here, and we should be good. And right at the tail end, I'll go ahead and smooth it out. Now when we smooth him out, you're just trying to get some of the lumps out. Pray it up as best you can. Doesn't take much. Just make sure that that crack is completely sealed up. Clean up some of the rough edges. That's about it. That wasn't even a whole whiskey ball fix, but we got it fixed. It's the woodchuck signing out.